Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, click the bell, and click all to get all notifications. If you have any tech questions, please click the Discord link. Hello, today is going to be a quick tutorial about a new thing from Windows. It's called the Windows Terminal, and you can just find it put this in the description down below, docsmicrosoft.com, blah, 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 terminal, get started. So we're going to open up this in the store. And we're going to get this. Get. Install. And this is the first time I'm looking at this, but it'd be nice to have a better terminal than CMD. So yeah, let's pin that. Okay, so this is a PowerShell one, and yeah, this is kind of what I expected. It had this drop down. So once you install from the previous video, I have this Ubuntu 2004 here. Now I can just select this and pull this, and that's pretty cool. So you can have PowerShell terminals, Linux terminals, anything else here you want from this drop down too. Here's command. I wonder too if you run this as administrator how that works. So like if you right click this and does it even have that option? Okay, it works fine. So yeah, many times you have to run PowerShell as run it as administrator. So there's another tab. Bring up Ubuntu, Azure Cloud. What is this? It's not in your web browser, so yeah, this is nice. This will connect probably to the Azure Cloud, and then you have a nice terminal here to control Azure resources. I haven't used this much. If Microsoft wants to send me a free account to test with this, that'd be great, but unfortunately right now I'm not going to spend personal money on testing this. So, well, there's the Windows terminal, the new Windows terminal, which is really nice to have Ubuntu in here, and then the PowerShell is what I'd use the most. The rest is, I sometimes have to use the CMD stuff here, but not too often here. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.